Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to fix common issues with Alight Motion app. When you download Alight Motion app and open for a first time, you can't create a project. Even you can't touch this tabs. This is common with new version of Alight Motion app. To fix this issue, go to Alight Motion app info by long pressing and choose app info. We have to clear all the data of Alight Motion app. Now enable data connection. Newer version Alight Motion app required internet for first time opening. Wait for few seconds. We value your privacy terms page as opens. This means that now Alight Motion app works fine. Click on accept all and continue. Then get started. Now you can use Alight Motion app without any issue. I truly hope you learned something new today. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.